The word peace to me means like we are together, we are sitting together here today. We don't care about names. Kids, they are playing together without any borders and any obstacles between them. Also, to have a right to the work, to have access to public institutions, and for people to respect each other and to build up their society by themselves, not to expect someone else to come from abroad and to build up society that they live in.